Oh, I just need to close my eyes for a moment after making this last ornament. So this is what I did. I decided on a pattern that I liked with the doily, traced out the pattern onto a paper. Once I had decided on what I wanted, little dots helped me to get a pattern going. Pulled away the doily, and then I traced it out. Once the tracing was done, I went a little bit darker, and then I cut it all out. Pin and cut the design on the fabric. I did 2 of the felt again. That way it had a mate. And then I placed the doily, the pattern that I wanted, and pinned it into place. To make things simpler, when that was done, I had trimmed away all of the excess doily. Now you can kind of see more what the result will be. Tack the doily onto my design, putting a couple stitches on every little point, similar to the snowflake design. And this one makes a slightly different snowflake design. When I was completely happy with the way it was all tacked down so that I wouldn't lose it, I knotted it on the back side to secure everything in place. Trimmed off all the excess that I didn't want, and then found its mate and pinned it together. Stitching everything together, leaving a little gap for the batting and a little spot for that little loop that will come up. Turn it inside right. Left this little spot for the loop, stitched that on, and then stuffed it with the batting. And of course, recycling the pillow from earlier. Got it all in place. Pinned up where I wanted to stitch the opening. And stitched it all together. Lovely.
If Christmas is labeled camping, camping must be Christmas.
Oh, jeez. Wait a minute. I think I know where it is.
If Christmas is labeled camping.
Let me go check. In the closet. There's the camping.
Camping must be Christmas.
Oh, I wonder if this is it.
Yes!
All is well in the world again. Have a happy holiday. Thanks for watching.